as you're going through and you're making calls, down here at the bottom, we added this 3 or 4 weeks ago, where you can do different actions. You can, add notes, add activities, stuff like that. But as you're making this call, you're doing stuff. Once you've completed this call, I can just click on call completed. It's now going to pop up and say, hey, what was the outcome of this call? Well, I connected with them, or maybe it was a bad number, busy, failed, unreachable, whatever you want to select there. Select that, hit continue, and then it will then complete that call, knock it off the list, and then you'll see it in your past calls for the day in the list. And I've got just a bunch of these in here. Um, but whatever it is that you're wanting to do, you can see what's in there. So completed in the past 200 days. I need to probably change that to past 10 days. But making sure that your list is usable, we do that through setting up either call list items, the statuses. I mean, there's lots of different ways of getting them in here, but you can get them in there through manual adding or through routines, or whatever you want. So basically, this is kind of the screen I wanted to make sure that you guys saw. Was, there's the status is kind of a life cycle type of piece, where you can schedule it, you can complete it if it was canceled or if it's still in progress. Those are the kind of the statuses. And then what happened as a result of making that call. Was it connected? No answer. Left a voicemail. Don't call. Wrong number. There's several choices there for you to do things.